Hello, breaking news. Nalukoola of National Unity Platform has won the Kawempe North by-election, as confirmed by the Electoral Commission. Maccabi Henry, being the returning officer for Kampala City Electoral District, having had it have the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration of results from in accordance with Section 72 of the Parliamentary Sections Act, Cap 177, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for candidates are as follows. Candidates' names, surname, political party in figures, in words. Engena Mighty Edwards Stanley, who is independent, got 22 and is 22 votes. Then Kasaka Henry Mubiru, DP party, got 100. And then Luwembe Lucia Mohammed in independent got 240. Luimba Elias Nalukoola NUP got 70,764 votes. And then Mukibi Sadat in FDC got 239. Murere Enifa Aradi in independent got 381. Then Musitwa Ismail PPP 32 got 39. Mutanzinda Mohammed in independent got 186 votes. And Nambi Faridah Kongolo got 8,593, meaning that Nalukoola defeated her with landslide. Nakasero Moses in independent got 32 votes. Then the total number of valid votes casted is 27,596. And total number of rejected or invalid votes is 406. Total number of ballot papers counted is 28,002. And total number of spoiled ballot papers is 49. Accordingly, as returning officer for Kampala City Electoral District and in accordance with Section 77(1) of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, I declare Luimba Elias Nalukoola, who has obtained the largest number of votes, to be elected candidate for Kawempe Division North Constituency, Kampala City Electoral District. Returning officer name, Makabaya Henry, sign. So, yeah, that's it. The NUP has already won, and that is it. The result is out. We take responsibility for the errors in the pronunciation of the names, since it's a local name, and time identifying the gender also becomes a problem. Thank you so much, and have a nice time and a good night.